Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are using our child tax credit money to stuff my Christmas savings challenge box, and I'm also going to be stuffing this Christmas present envelope. So if that's something you're interested on, then keep on watching. All right, so I usually use my child tax credit money to stuff my sinking fund envelope, but because Christmas is right around the corner, I want to focus and completing the savings challenge box, so that's what we're gonna do. And then I'm also going to be putting some money here to do my Thanksgiving giveaway, and also I need to put money in here because I need to buy some stuff for Saturday. My church is having feed the homeless, so I do need to put some money on the side to buy supplies and like food and things like that. So let's get started. All right, so we're not gonna just choose any envelope because I do have a certain amount of money that I am stuffing in here, and that is $270. So we're gonna do a 50. And then right there, we're gonna do a 20. Guys, don't mind the honking in the back. We're gonna do another 50. Okay. We're also gonna do a 30. So we're gonna do a 20 and 2 5s. So did anybody start their Christmas shopping? Let me know in the comments below. I don't know what I'm getting my kids yet. I might just start looking online. And then I also gotta get something for my husband. So we're doing a 50. So if you guys have any ideas of what to get your kids, or you know, whatever, let me know. I don't know what I'm getting my kids yet. Okay, so we're gonna do a 20. And let's see. And the last one is another 50. Okay, and let's see, that's about it. So this is looking pretty cute. Okay, so let's see. Ooh, how many envelopes did we do? Oh god, let me see. So we already had 3 envelopes. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So I have to color in 7 envelopes. And before, like for my last videos, I was only doing 22 envelopes, but I'm actually gonna do 25. So we did, how many did we say? 7? 1 2 3. Okay, let me see. Let me just double check. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Yeah, 7. So we're gonna color in 7 envelopes. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. So we have 15 more envelopes, and that should complete our Christmas savings challenge box. All right, so we're gonna put this to the side, and then for our Thanksgiving giveaway, I'm gonna be doing $100. So to enter this giveaway, I'm actually giving $50 to 2 families. I'm not sure how I'm gonna send this money, because if I send it through Zelle, then my phone number will come up, and we don't want that. So I might just use PayPal or Venmo. I'm gonna figure it out. So I'm gonna pick 2 families or 2 people to get $50 each. And to enter this giveaway, all you need to do is make sure you subscribe, you like this video, and let me know what you are thankful for in the comments below, and leave an emoji. That's all. And then the rest of this money, which is 100, 150, 170, 75, 180. 180 is going towards my church, because we are feeding the homeless on Saturday. So I need to go to Costco and buy like some bread and juice and hats, a couple of stuff. I'm not doing this alone, so this is my portion that I am putting towards that. The giveaway ends this Sunday, and I will be announcing the winners on Monday on a post. It's not going to be a video, so look out for that post. See you on my next video. Bye.